Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you the overview of the other settings and the integrations that we have. So we need to click on settings, alright. And inside the settings, you will see autoresponder integrations, payment gateway integration, other integrations. So let's suppose I want to connect autoresponder. Let's suppose I want to connect my active campaign account over here, right? So I need to click on over here, add autoresponder, and then connect active campaign. Then I need to give it a name. This name can be anything, right? So SB is for me and active campaign short form AC. And then I need to put on the API URL and API key, right? So I need to go into my active campaign account that I'm using, and I need to go to settings. And inside the settings, I will have this developer tab, right? From there, I need to copy the URL along with the key, all right? And save. So this is done, and click on enable. So if you will see, this is, that's how easily it is done. Let's suppose I wanna add, let's say, Aweber, for example. So let me click on connect, and let's say SB Aweber, alright. Let's click on connect. I mean, this is very much, pretty much straightforward. And then it will ask for the authorization. So into your Aweber account, and all that I need to do is authorize it, right? So I just logged into my Aweber right in front of you and authorize it, and it is done, right? So if you can see, both of my autoresponders are connected, right? So in a very straightforward way, if you have one of these autoresponders, you can connect it in this way, right? Just click on connect. At the same time, you can connect multiple autoresponders in terms of, let's say, if you want to connect multiple active campaign accounts and multiple Aweber accounts. So that is also something that you can do, right? So you can connect multiple autoresponders of one single company. So to make your job easy, we have this knowledge base link right over here, right? In the right hand side, you click on knowledge base, and if you will see, we have this autoresponder integration, right? So you click on autoresponder integration, and over here we have given detailed guide of how to integrate every single autoresponder. I mean, it is very straightforward. We have just shown you, but just in case you need some suggestion, for example, how to get active campaign API URL and the key, and for everything we have given the detailed knowledge base, so you can get the ideas from there. Otherwise, in any autoresponder, either it will ask for the authorization just like Aweber asked, or it's gonna ask for some keys that you are going to find inside your autoresponder account, and you can very easily put them over here. So that's how simply it can be done. And just in case if you need more help, we have the articles for everything right over here. And along with that, we also have payment gateway integration articles and everything else, right? So it's like quite easy. So yeah, this is it for this particular video. I'm gonna see you in